Hello, and welcome to Best Gadget Channel. In this video we will review the MECO Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. This doorbell supports 2.4 GHz network, 6400 mAh, view angle of 166, waterproof, night vision, HD 1080p, motion detection, full duplex audio, micro SD, low power consumption. Let's see what inside the box, and talk about this smart device. This video doorbell comes with a 32GB SD card, a ring chime and a 6400 mAh rechargeable battery that can wake up 1000 times when fully charged, so that allows you to place it outdoors without worrying about continuously charging it. 1080p Full HD technology, the wireless video doorbell provides you with a clear picture quality to see the outdoor situation at home. The infrared lights offer a 16 feet visible range in the dark, which will make it easier to identify people at your door and give you a super night vision experience. The night vision function not only can be adjusted automatically according to the ambient light level but also has a fixed day or fixed night vision image. The Wi-Fi doorbell camera provides 166 degrees wider viewing angle, greatly reduces the blind area, and built-in per and motion sensor detects that effectively filters out invalid alerts. Once a motion has been detected, the Wi-Fi video doorbell will send a message to your smartphone to help better detect family actions such as postmen or thieves. Make you feel at ease even at night or you go out. Per motion detection up to 26 feet. Support two-way voice real-time calls, such as face-to-face. You can see, hear and talk with the visitors anytime or anywhere from App Cloud Edge, and the video or voice will be transferred more clearly with noise cancellation and rate adaptation technology. Small, portable and also weatherproof. Rain or shine, hot or cold, MECO wireless video doorbell never stops protecting you.
Please power on the device. Press the bell button and tap Next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to sync with. Please choose a 2.4G network, then enter your network password. Please remove the protective film from your camera lens. Tap Next to show your QR code, then hold the code in front of the camera lens at a distance of 5 to 8 inches.